Anything to do with the dollar.
Yeah, now listen, this is what I'm saying. The difference between us and everybody else, because we don't trade a bias, we're able to make money no matter what the market condition. I'm telling you right now, if you would ask anybody how their portfolio is doing, they are screaming, crying, like, oh my gosh. You're going to hear it at church and functions, my 401k. And you guys are going to be like, what are you talking about? We made literally millions today, and they're all going to be crying, and all you had to do was listen to the sound of my voice.
I
Spy
mean,
still to the
look at the
downside.
market, coach. It's still going
it's,
down.
it's beautiful. Who's
Target
still
net,
in these?
coach.
Microsoft
Target net.
just took a massive dump, and
Who's
that
still
took
in
SPY
this,
with it.
everybody?
I am.
Careful, gold
300.
level right here, 591.50 we had marked on SPY. Remember, you guys
Yep.
said a while
Sitting
back
on it.